With every purchase I buy on Amazon, I like to give a little review. This is my very first video, so here we go. Okay, I am super satisfied with this pool. Okay, it's very sturdy. It does the job for my family during the summer. It did come with this cover, which is great, especially with Elsa coming. For a pool this size, what, 3,000 plus gallons of water. It came with that pump, which in my opinion is not good enough to filter the water or keep water moving. Okay, it did come with that hose, and they have a little T connector that they put those two together and links over here, because as you can see, that is water going in, and the bottom over here is water shooting back out. It goes over there. Well, unfortunately for a pool this size, again, that pump is not big enough, so I upgraded to that sand pump, which is also from Intex, which works perfectly. Okay, another problem that I found that I didn't really care for is the fact that it didn't come with a skimmer, so I had to buy a skimmer to keep the water flowing. So let me uncover this so you can see. The water is flowing through the skimmer and it's going through there, so it's catching all the debris. So that is an extra expense that I had to buy because the pool didn't come with it. It was nerve-wracking, but overall this pool is amazing. So my only suggestion for Intex is that instead of selling with this pump, up the price a little bit and add that pump instead of that with all the connectors, because by the time you buy that pump, you have to pretty much, this actually, by the way, this came with that as well, so I had to cut a little bit to make it bigger so the water can flow a little better. But I have to say this, once I added that with that pump, the water is clear, it's fine, it's clean, because when I put the pool together with that little pump right there, after one day of swimming, the next day the water was already getting slimy, so I had to really treat the water and things. But to be honest with you, that little pump is the only downfall of this pool. Okay, that everything else is great. I gave a 2 for that pump because it's not, in my opinion, it's not the best. But the people that sold this pool to me, they were absolutely fantastic. I'll do business with them again. I have already recommended people, if they want to buy a pool on Amazon, to go with this seller, because they were fantastic. I bought it, the next day it got shipped, and I am super happy with it. The only downside of that is not even the sellers, it's the fact that Intex only sends that pump for this pool. So for 3,000 plus gallons of water, that little pump won't do much. Okay, happy summer, y'all.